Hey y'all, it's your girl Sharon B, aka Shanadry, and today I'm spilling all the tea on how I got into the TikTok Shop Creator Rewards, made my first 16 sales. First, I want to say hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss every time I post. Yo, it's Shanadry, Life by Sharon B. Let's go. From TikTok T to side hustle stacks, blowing up strong, yeah, I'm never looking back. Fitness, finesse, I'm keeping it lit. Social media queen, got the hustle and grit. Cashing in with reels, trying to win. Vibes stay real from the start to the end. Story times, wow. Come sip this tea. Subscribe, tune in. It's Shanadry. And how you can too, even with limits. Trust me, it's real out here. Let's get into it. So I got accepted into the TikTok Shop Creator Rewards program in May when I had just 1,500 followers. Yep, just 1,500 followers. It wasn't about the numbers, it was the engagement. TikTok approved me, but at first they limited me to only 5 shoppable videos and 3 lives per week. But even with those limits, I still made sales, guys. I went fully unlocked into the program the first week of June. Just this week, I just went full. I got full blown into the program once I hit the 5K followers. So if you're growing and engaging your audience, TikTok sees that. They do. They track everything. Like I will go into these lives and I got into the daily goals, and they tracked everything I was doing, when I commented, when I shared, just seeing that I was engaging. So from May to now, I made 16 sales, and let me tell you, 7 of them came from one product. This one product that it was a waist trainer corset. Why? Because it was low price, it solves a problem, and the store behind it is high ranking and runs frequent deals. I started by investing in a refundable sample. So I had bought that corset on a refundable sample, and I bought it, made content, and once it sold and cleared the return period, which was 30 days, you had to clear that they do not return it. You get your refund, you get that refund back. And so I got my money back. That's smart business. So after that, I started requesting samples that align with my brand. My brand is fitness, healthy living, and even some helpful household items. The key is to show how it works, show how it solves a problem, and why it's useful. That's what make people click and buy. So I would do a lot of showing how these products will work. Like I did multiple videos with the corset showing when I first got it, from when I went down in inches and everything. So I would show my progress. So people want to know, that it's real. Like, even though you get free samples, I wouldn't push anything that I really wouldn't use. So all the things that I push on TikTok is stuff that I really use, because people can tell, like, if you're just getting on there selling stuff, people gonna scroll past it because they know you're just on there trying to make a sale. So here are my tips. If you're just starting out, focus on high ranking shops and products. Invest in a sample that makes sense for your audience. And not just that, do research. See what's popular right now on TikTok. And you really want to do your research on it as well. Be consistent with problem solving content. Even if you're limited in videos and lives, make the ones you post count. And so that is my, the TikTok Shop Creator Rewards program. I just gotten into it. I want to see, you know, how far I can go. My sales are pretty good for just getting into it, what TikTok is telling me. And so next I want to touch on Amazon affiliate versus TikTok shop, because I am in both. I am in the Amazon. I've been a part of the Amazon affiliate program for 3 years and haven't made one sale. You hear me right, one sale. Even when I shared my link and to people, I went to Amazon, was like, hey, I haven't seen any sales, what's going on? They was like, well, it's the way that they interact with your link, and it just seemed too complicated. I did the same thing on TikTok. I shared out my link out of TikTok and I still made those sales, and guess what, I made even higher commission because I share out their link on TikTok shop. So it's great for some people, but honestly, the TikTok Shop Creator Reward Program has shown me more hope in just a few weeks than Amazon did in years. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but the difference is, for me, TikTok pushes your videos, people see them in real time, and you can connect with your audience while showing them exactly how the product works. And so my thoughts on this, if you're thinking about signing up for TikTok Shop as a creator, do it. But don't just join, invest. Test and post with intention. Let me know in the comments if you want a video breaking down exactly how to apply and what kind of content works best. And if you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'm bringing y'all all the behind the scenes of making money on social media the real way. And this just is a short video. I just wanted to touch on the TikTok shop because I did just get into it, and I think that this program is I'm loving it because it does give you more exposure. So again, if you're looking to get into the TikTok Creator Rewards, the TikTok Shop Creator Rewards, I suggest you do it and follow all these tips. And I'll make another video following up on this, or if you want or like a video regarding Amazon, which I don't have much to tell about it, but especially not for sales. I've done live on Amazon. I've done everything to get sales. But if you want any more videos on TikTok shop, I will drop more, and also any other tips that I learned along the way, I'll be making future videos on the TikTok shop. So this is going to be like a TikTok shop series that I'm going to start, because yes, so this will be my first video to the TikTok shop series, me getting accepted and things to do along the way. So look out for more videos regarding TikTok shop. Again, don't forget to subscribe, click, like, turn your notifications on, and catch me in my next video for more money tips, and especially more money tips on TikTok shop. And I would drop my TikTok shop creator showcase in the description, and also my Amazon storefront in the description, because I do find great deals, and a lot of my picks are great, so you can check those out in my description. The links will be below.